Alright, today we are unbagging this Tough Grid Mil-Spec 550 Paracord. I got 50 feet of the buckskin or desert sand color. That was all that was left. This whole pandemic thing has kind of, I guess, gotten people on the prepping frenzy. You know, a couple, month ago or two, preppers were nuts, and now they're like the only people who are like not scared. Alright, so yeah, anyway, I bought this so I could put it on my Eric X-Lite ferro rod, and there's a video on that if you want to go check it out. But it didn't have a string or anything with it, and I think we might get some strikers here eventually with to put on them too as well. But there's the card there. It's a good company. My brother's gotten a bunch of paracord from them, and it has actually been really nice paracord. So let's see if we can get it undone here. Alrighty, I saved you the headache of watching me do that. Let's see, how much do I want here? I don't want that much. Right about so, I think. Yeah, that'll be enough. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this unboxing, which was kind of a little bit all over the place, I know, but life is crazy right now. If you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos and unboxing, gear reviews, all that great stuff. And we'll see you on the next video.